Hi everyone. So in this question, we're being asked to match each scenario with its appropriate graph. Okay, so let's just run through the scenarios first of all. The height of a bungee jumper after a jump. Now let's just think about what that looks like. Okay, the bungee jumper would come down and down, bounce back up, down, bounce back up, but then it would be less and less of a deviation from the mean as the bouncer goes. So let's just take a quick look at these graphs here. Well, this one right here seems to have that pattern. Here's our mean, somewhere in the middle here, bouncing back and forth. So this is our A. Okay, that makes probably the most sense here. Let's take a look at B. The vertical growth of a tree. Okay, well, this is going to just go up at a steady rate. It won't come back down again, I mean, unless you chop it down. But if you look at the remaining three graphs here, this is the only one that seems to have that kind of constant, steady growth. I mean, now it's not always the same rate, but that's okay. I mean, I would expect that. So this has got to be B. Let's take a look at C here. The temperature of a cup of coffee as it sits. Okay, well, it's going to start high, and then it's going to drop down. But the cup of coffee, the rate at which it goes down is going to slow down as it gets cooler and cooler, and that's what we're seeing here. Starts high, drops down. This has got to correspond to C. Now, by default, this has to be D, but now let's just take a look at the scenario. Calgary's daily mean temperature. Okay, well that makes sense here. It starts low, okay, goes up during the middle of the day, and then again goes back down at night. Okay, so that's entirely consistent with that, that scenario.